Hi everyone, it's Karen again, and I got home today. I just walked in from work, of course, and I have another box. This is from Tennessee Tropicals, and this has my number one wish list plant. Ever since I started collecting plants, there's this one that I've wanted, and I finally, the other night I was browsing around on their site, and I seen it, and I was able to get it, and I can't believe how quick it got here, but I'm so happy and so excited. So this one, I've already split it open. It has the little packing peanuts in it that are the starchy ones that, I mean, they collapse, and once they get wet, they kind of dissolve, so they're more eco-friendly than those little styrofoam ones. I got my packing list in here, and I have 3 plants. Let me remember what I got. Actually, all 3 of those. All 3 of these are something that I've been wanting, and I just lucked into all 3 of them, and I'm so happy and so excited. And I haven't forgot about my Indonesian plants. They're still in water. It's only been a few days, but they are looking good. They're perked up. They're just waiting to be planted. I got my leca soaking. I decided I'm going to put them in leca. So let's start here. These are taped in a box really well. They do Tennessee Tropicals do really good packing. This is my 3rd order from them, and I just really like their plants. They always come in. They're so healthy, and let me make sure this isn't the number 1. Well, I'm gonna open it last. So yes, that's my number 1 right there. So we're gonna open it last. We're gonna savor the enjoyment and excitement. This will be my last. I think this is my last order that I have coming for a while. So I'm gonna have to think of some other videos to make. I'm gonna do one with some of my plant care, and if you have any video ideas down, you can leave me a comment down below, and I would be more than glad to reply and answer to them. I'd love to meet some new people that are, you know, plant friendly such as I. So let's do this one. They wrap these up very well, tape them. They put the little stick in them so that when they slide in the box, they don't get smashed. So I can see it. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. This, oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. Oh, and it's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Amazing. This is a variegated, let me say this right, variegated spineless prickly pear cactus. Look how big this thing is. Man, when I was growing up, prickly pears grew everywhere. And if you went out in the cow pasture and you didn't have any shoes on, you were going to get some spines. This one, however, is spineless, so it doesn't have the spines on it. It's real smooth. Let's see if I can get the rest of this tape off. They do a good job, but it's a lot. Okay, there's that. Look at this. Can you see the variegation on it? And it doesn't have any of the little spine prickly pears. But look how big this is. Look, I'll pull back so you can see. Look, it's huge. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I love it. And I was watching someone on YouTube, I don't remember who it was, but they were talking about how easy these are to propagate. You can just take one of these little babies that's growing up here and let it kind of callus over there, put it in dirt, and it'll root. But look at the variegation on this, and it just feels so cool. I love it. Oh my gosh. Love that. I'm very happy with that. Very, very, very happy. Tennessee Tropicals, you are probably one of my very favorites. Very favorites. I have more favorites, but these are my very favorite. And then this one is a little bitty baby. This is, I probably might be able to say this right. But let me untape it. That piece of blonde Cruella de Vil blonde streak of hair out of my face. I love it. That's how I want it. I want it to be like that. So this is a Piper Parmatum. Piper Parmatum. This reminds me of and I don't have one of these and I want one, a Monstera Peru. That's on my wish list because they're very, their leaves are very textured, and that's kind of how this one is. I wish I had scissors, but I don't. So, but see the leaves? See how textured they look? They kind of look like look like that Monstera Peru. But this is a very healthy little plant. It has new growth coming in right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. The new growth. But they tape this in very well. I mean, I don't have any dirt spillage in the box or anything. So very excited. Love getting new plants. They make me so happy. And then you baby them, you get to watch them grow. And some of them bloom. Not a lot of my plants bloom because they're more, I like more of the foliage plants that has real pretty leaves and the different shades of green. And now some of my plants bloom, like my Hoyas, they'll bloom. And some of my plants outside bloom. All I have to do is pour outside. Let you see what I've got growing outside. Okay, here. I only got all that noisy tape off of that. Get this. They've got it wrapped with like a wet paper towel to hold the soil in. So we'll get that out so you can see this baby. Look, isn't that beautiful? Look at that foliage. And then when the new comes in, it's a lighter green, but this has a whole lot of new right here in the center. I don't know if you can see from that leaf, but it has new foliage coming in. So I'll let this get a little bit of fresh air, kind of straighten out a little bit. Very pretty. This is going to look gorgeous with my other foliage plants. So there's two of them, and now we're going to go for the big show. This is my number one wish plant. I've wanted this thing and never thought I'd be able to find it, and I couldn't believe I was just on Tennessee Tropicals one night. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning, couldn't sleep. And I got on there and they had it. Couldn't believe it. I actually sat up in bed. I had to rub my eyes because I was like, am I looking at what I think I'm looking at? Is this for real? And yep, it was for real. And then when I actually bought it and ordered it, I kept going back and checking to make sure that I had actually got what I thought I got, and that I had actually paid for it, and that it was actually going to be mine. Get all of this off. It's as perfect as I thought it was going to be. Now, y'all are going to see this and you're going to think, oh my God, that is what she's making a big deal. Oopsie. Oh, prickly, you didn't want to stand up there. So, get back up there. I still love you. I'm just talking about this one. Get your sister here. So, but anyway, I kept checking the order to make sure that I got it and that it was actually going to be mine. And my husband works nights and I had to call him at work. all excited. He wasn't excited because anyway, here it is. Ta-da! This is a Sansevieria variegated whale fin. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit dusty right now. I have to dust it off, but look at that baby. Look how wide it is. I mean, it's as wide as my hand, and these get really big and tall and wider, and they'll have little babies come out, and then you can divide them up. But I love just this single leaf. Look at the variegation in that. Oh, I love this plant. I love it. I've wanted one forever, and now I have one. Thank you, Tennessee Tropicals, for this. Now I'm gonna have to get a new number one wish plant because I have some wish plants. One of Monstera Peru. Probably my number one now that I cannot find everywhere, and I see people all the time and they're like, oh, I found this at Walmart, oh, I got this here, oh, I got this here. Every time I go they have nothing, but I want a Pothos Cebu Blue. That I've looked everywhere, and I've looked on Etsy, and like for like one cutting, it's, you know, the cutting's like $8, but then shipping's like $15, and that's unrooted, so I'm gonna keep looking. But right now, this right here, this is the star of my stage. I mean, it's just perfectly, there's no damage on it, nothing. It's just perfect. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. But I love this one too. This one is awesome. I can't get over the size of this. Oh my gosh. And the prickly pears. And if I put them side by side, look, they can be sisters. My little prickly pear variegated, my little Sansevieria whalefin variegated. They can be sisters, and they can grow up and be beautiful together. And let's not forget my little Piper. This one, it's a little baby, but it's in the right house, and I love it, and it's going to be perfect. So, anyway. That is my unboxing for today. Thank you so much for joining me in my new, I just love this plant. I probably won't be able to go to sleep tonight because I'll just be thinking about it and thinking about it and thinking about it. But anyway, thank you for joining me. I hope y'all have had a great day. I've had a great day. And yeah, so leave me a comment below. Tell me something you'd like to see. I have all kinds of plants and things I can talk about, and I can do a tour of my plants. I can tell you all about LECA, what I know, and yeah, if you have any questions, any comments, just leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe. That really helps my channel grow if you subscribe. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, KarenSue63. I post other things, but I mainly post a lot of my plants and things on there. And I'm on there quite a bit. So, yeah, love to you all. Happy growing, and I'll see you next time.